Grabe tong Dubai, no? 5 years of my life.
To everybody who's watching this, it might just look parang maybe for you itong street na to is just another street, but for me, every time na may interview ako, dito ako naghihintay, dito ko kinakain yung mga tinapay ko. So upo-upo ako dito, nag-emote ako, sabi ko, ano ba, is this the right decision? Yung feeling ko after interview, maybe I did not pass the interview. So ganito kami sa Dubai, you really have to find the bus stop. Tapos doon ka talaga sasakay. Because in the Philippines, right, they make like ikot-ikot lang and sometimes you can make para. But here, no. You really have to wait for the Super emote talaga ako dito sa Dubai kasi nga, the life in abroad is not easy. So please be kind sa mga nag-a-abroad. Okay, we are not here just to give you money. We are also here to survive and sustain ourselves. My God, only if you know the hard work, yung mga pang-aape sa amin dito, yung mga hirap namin dito. Only if you know that. But we will not tell you that because we know na maraming umaasa sa amin. Not me, but some people. A lot of people in abroad, di ba? Maraming umaasa sa kanila and they will not pass you the negative energy or yung mga pinagdadaanan nila. So please be kind sa mga nag-a-abroad. Hindi lang kami nagbibigay ng pera. Hindi naman ako yun. That's my brother. But see, ang honest ko, di ba? But I know, I've seen it, to other people lang naman, di ba?